Everyone is always talking about high income skills, but here's the truth. Just earning more doesn't make you rich. If you don't know what to do with the money you earn, then you'll stay stuck in the rat race. So this isn't just a list of skills that pay well. They also help you increase wealth and gain freedom. Number 1, the most transferable skill on earth is, of course, sales. If you can get good at sales, you can earn 6 and even 7 figures without even needing a degree. And sales skills will help in a lot of other ways too, because it's not just about selling a product, it's the skill of communicating value, persuading others, and closing deals. It's a skill that can help you in any endeavor and in any business, not to mention job interviews, negotiations, and just about anywhere where you need to interact with other people. The point here is that when you can sell, then you can generate income at will. It puts you in control of how much you make, and then you can use that income to do all the other things that bring, like saving, investing, and growing your net worth. High income skill number 2 is the skill of using written words to make you money. I'm talking about copywriting. Copywriting is the art of using written words to sell. Now, to some degree, it's still a form of selling, but the first skill is more verbal and direct communications with another person. Copywriting would fall more under marketing. So whether it's websites, ads, or emails, behind every successful business will always be the need for good copy. And with this, you can freelance, build a side hustle with it, or write for your own business if you want. When you can write great copy, you can generate automated income on repeat. That's when you pair that with a good product or service, and it scales. Copywriting is one of the most underrated skills in the game of building wealth. Now, if you're able to create something once and then sell it over and over and over again, like a digital product, then you've just discovered high income skill number 3. This is the type of created leverage that can explode your income several levels up. You know, there's an unlimited amount of digital product ideas out there, but most people think of online courses, ebooks, or any useful digital template as a starting point. What's great about digital products, if you can make them work, is the fact that they decouple your time from your income, and when successful, you can truly earn money while you sleep. It's where passive income meets scalability and the sweet spot to growing your income exponentially. All right, high income skill number 4 is the skill that a lot of high earners completely ignore, and that's in knowing what to do with your money once you earn it, because it's not always about how much you make, but how much you actually keep. This includes many things like budgeting and cash flow management, saving money, tracking your net worth, avoiding lifestyle creep, understanding wants and needs, and the list goes on and on. But the fact remains, you can earn all the money you want, but if you don't manage it well, you won't keep it. And we've all heard the tragic stories of the broke athlete or celebrity or lottery winner where this became true, because at the end of the day, this is the top skill they missed. Now, if you want the skill right now, go to my link in bio or description and grab my free 7-day money fix. This may change your life. Okay, high income skill number 5, the one most people try to put first, but in reality comes later, and that is investing. First, you need to learn how to earn and save, and only then can you move into growing your money, which is where investing comes in. Only at this point does it help to understand things like index funds, ETFs, and the stock market, or things like a Roth IRA and retirement accounts. Then there's also real estate and all the various strategies and alternative investments out there. Not to mention investing in your own business or someone else's for that matter. This is the skill of making your money work for you to produce more money, and it's another place where you can make money while you sleep. This is one of the key areas that separates the truly wealthy from just the well-paid. If you can master these 5 skills, you will become rich, and it's guaranteed. Then you will have turned income into freedom. But even just mastering one of these areas will put you ahead of most people. So the question is, which high income skill will you focus on this year? Let me know in the comments, and click my link in bio or in the description for your free tools to get started right away. Like this video if it helped, subscribe for more, and share this with someone who needs it. Thanks for watching.